Here go one of the combatants right here. Oh shit, look, gonna be the Panda Express, boys.
Too much.
You ride, little guy? You ride this little one? Oh, the red one? Yeah. Apollo?
Yeah.
Yeah? Close as I get, boys. Now, what was the problem you were experiencing here? You're gonna send it regardless. Oh, you've been sending it. You just got a little play in the swing arm area. That's typical. How's that Apollo treating you, dude? You're racing too, Pops?
It's raining now.
You got that Yamaha? Damn. Got the 250 SX. That stands for Supercross, boys. They already put a different back tire on it. Travis is gonna smoke you just because of that back tire, dude. That's like an Orchard tire. That's made to not tear up grass, damn it. We used to have those on our tractors in California just so we didn't make any ruts. Muddy. You're right in the way, Blake. Look at that 140, boys. Out for blood. 140 Tao and a 250 Tao. Was Apollo, right? Apollo. I'll straighten this out for you. Hey, afterwards we're all gonna have a party in the van. That started right up. What are you talking about? That one, boys. Oh, he's still learning. He's still learning a manual clutch. This ain't no race car with a trans brake. Getting it.
Let's see who wins this race. I'm gonna base it off who has the best mullet. It's time to get nasty, boys. They don't call us the Dirty Boys for no reason. It's totally because of Dirty Sanchez's. How do you want it? Do you like it like that or like that? I don't care.
Got him.
Henry, got it. All right, so I'm gonna hold my hands up, and when I come down for the shocker, that means go. All right, ready? Go, dude, go.
I got your glasses on me. You guys were like 90% through the first race.
How you might pick the bike up and take your gas?
Travis was getting it for a minute. Dude, you went over that jump and I thought that was it for you, bud.
What'd you do?
I think he probably pulled the front brake.
I was right behind him. I'll be able to show y'all what he did.
Yeah.
I think he did grab the front brake. He grabbed the shit out of the
over there and I ate shit.
That's how you do it.
Somebody get him some titties.
Dude, do you know how often I do that? At least 4 times a day, even if I'm not riding. But as soon as I went up, like I just lost all power, dude. Paced it and just flipped and landed, like rolled and landed on my feet right there.
Fucking handstand and slam like a motherfucker, bro.
Oh my god, dude, what the fuck happened?
This is the gap I was warning you about. We're supposed to only show them the track.
I think.
I'm good, bro. A little more second gear. Dustin must. Hey. Dude, I fucking endoed it right there too, bro. Fuck. Where's my goddamn shoe go? Oh, then it dies.
Damn, dude.
Bro, I endoed too.
Are you serious?
I swear to God.
You did.
Shit. Hard as fuck. Blasted the shit out of that bird.
Burn that blast. Burn that blast.
Oh, he almost ate it.
You just did. Oh, good boy. Come right up. Nice. On the race. But
Judging on who's got the longest hair in the back.
unfortunately, we tried like hell to get them to race.
Yeah.
Neither one of their mullets dropped, and it's pretty
Well, they just have to come back over again.
Mine gained about 2 inches.